Michael. You know, you sang this with us one time, and you did this jamming middle section that you just made the shit up as you went along, and it was pretty great. If you want to join us, we'd love to have you. We got a proper microphone for Michael.
What's up, yo?
The Sail Across the Sun cruise just wouldn't be right without Michael Frontane's spearhead. Am I right?
Wouldn't be right without y'all either. We're happy you're here and we love you.
We'll just sing in San Francisco. You sing whatever part you want, and I'll take the rest.
Cool. They left me with these blisters on my skin.
Don't know when I was on, but I think it grows in Oregon. So that's what we going on right now.
I drove into Seattle rain, every now and then missed the train, and it took me right back home to you. Woo!
I've been high,
I've been low,
I've been yes, and I've been
oh hell no!
I've been rock and roll and disco. Want you to save me, San Francisco. So captivated, I wish they would go to me. Feel more, couldn't feel more miles away.
So right here in the center, let's forget this Fabian bender and take me to this Caribbean bay.
Jazz don't sound so bad.
If I could wish upon a star, I would hit you with a cable car to the place that I can always call my own body on this boat, y'all. Save me, San Francisco. Yes, put your hands up high like this now. We're out here in the boat tonight. Rockin' around out here, feeling out of sight. We got my man Corey in the place. Everybody put your hands up, put a smile on your face. Put a drink up high tonight. If you're feeling alright, we're training nights. This is the place that we're out of sight, yo. I've been rock, I've been roll, I've been reggae, I've been calypso, and so many more. I'm out here just dancing with y'all. Maybe in the hot tub later for y'all. It's so cold out here. I might just have to heat up my beer, or maybe with a lighter or two. So I might just have me out there smoking a blunt with you. I might be with you too, in a purple suit, maybe mine's blue. I don't care. We are with you. Put your hands up.